Hey guys, so we are on day 4 of 25 Days of Christmas, and I wanted to share with you a really quick party favor. I saw these that another demonstrator did, and I thought they were just adorable. And you don't need a lot of product, and they are super quick, and they'd be fun to do with family, or kids. If you had them over for cookie baking, this would be a great little thing to do. So we are going to use 3 punches for this project, and then we're just going to use some scrap paper. So you're going to need some sort of designer paper. It can be anything. I have this left over too that was from the Brights, like Bold and Bright, I think. And we might do one in this color as well. So I have some sort of scalloped or decorative punch. This one actually is retired, but I don't have the other circle punch. So we're going to use this one because it'll get the job done. And then we have a 2-inch punch and a 1 3/4 inch. And those you can both get in the online store under online exclusives. So all we do is we are going to punch out 2 of our decorative circles. Okay, so whatever punch you decide to use. Now you could use dies as well. It doesn't have to be just something that can be layered. And so we're going to set that aside. So we have these 2. Now we're going to take this dark circle and we're going to use the 2-inch punch and cut that one, or punch that once. And then we're going to use this piece of scrap right here. Now we could do the polar bear, or we can do kind of the sweater pattern. And I think that's the one we'll do for this. And now we just need to adhere. And then what you need is some chocolates or candy. So we are going to use these little nuggets because that's what I have on hand that I have left over from another party. I also have some little Rolos. These might be a little tall, but you could use peppermint patties, those little mini, a Reese cup, anything like that would also work. Maybe the bigger Reese cups, and you might have to use a little bit of a bigger circle. But so all we're going to do is we are going to take our adhesive and we're going to put a little bit on the bottom of our one circle there, and we're just going to attach it. There we go. And set that off to the side. Then we're going to take our piece of Night of Navy and put that on top of our scalloped circle there. And then we're going to layer this decorative piece right on top. And you guys could get real fancy. You could put embellishments, ribbon, but, and then we're just going to add a little tape here. Pop this right on top. And there you go. You could put this on someone's, you could put them all on a plate. You could set them on people's individual plate settings. But isn't that just adorable? I went ahead and punched another one. So let's go ahead. Oops, let me get my paper straight here. And we will just create another one. Oops. Get my adhesive. There we go. And we will put this on here. But I think all the scraps you have left over from Christmas, this is such a great way to use that up. And again, you can use any adhesive that you think would be strong enough. And now here, we'll put like a couple little Rolos here. Okay, so I'm just going to put a strip of adhesive, put those right down there. And then I'll add a little bit of a strip on top and get it right over top and press a little bit for those since they have a little bit of a deeper. But there you go, guys. That is it. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I have a class on Saturday. Thinking about maybe doing this for our table, for our little food shindig that we're going to have. But love it. And you could do them in so many different colors. Wouldn't that be pretty? So that is it. That is day 4. Hope you guys liked it and have a great evening. It's a little late right now, but enjoy. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.